Wow, 2 blocks from Lake Weir. Investors, weekend getaway or your new home, this 3 bedrooms and 1.5 bath home has lots of potential. The property sits on a corner lot, with plenty of room to add a pool or entertain. The homeowner has already purchased many interior items for renovations that are included with the sale of this property. Interior closet doors, vanity, cabinets, tile, toilet and more. This is an opportunity to make this home your own. Enjoy lots of nearby lake activities, as Hope Boat Ramp is 1.6 miles away.